So please let me summarize this workshop with some final slides. I have here 2 slides, which again show the stuff which Lars just mentioned for the demonstration. I put here 3 of those demonstrators. So just to show that we cover quite a large range of different product areas, market areas. And so this was quite a, not a very focused on one product or one market. So we covered from medical and optical and automotive industry, as you can see here, to also mechanical applications. So here we go, as you see, in communication technology for the connector, for instance, the ProMate, and also for the flow enhancement in the injection molding industry, which Krishna has presented, and the cleaning in the end. So these were the quite a large variety, but all these products, all these markets, all these applications have in common, of course, that they require a certain defined or quite well defined and structuring of the surfaces, which make up most of the functionality of these products. So finally, I'd like to just some points here. So we looked in the project at process change that we hopefully have demonstrated and shown. So which included, besides pre-processing, of course, always necessary, but the structuring and the replication. And besides this, the modeling and metrology, of course, was also required. We have introduced, we have optimized, we have developed further some of those technologies like the nano imprinting on the diamond machining, fast tool servo techniques in various ways, and also for the micro-EDM, micro-ECM technology for improving the powder injection molding on the molds in that area. For the mass production, which we addressed for these products with surface structured, we applied quite precise replication technologies. This is usually injection molding or micro-injection molding and the powder injection molding as shown. And of course, we developed and connected the strategies for process and quality control, and did quite successfully do some validation for these product demonstrators. If you are further interested in this, and I mean, we had some discussion here, but usually I would say, let's meet in the coffee room during the conference. Unfortunately, this is not really feasible now, but still we will see each other in the next days, and there will be breakout rooms for coffee as well. And otherwise, I think you have our, you know, the partners, you will be able to contact us. So please contact us here during the conference now, this next days. We have a website which you can also address and find contact partners. We find the names of the partners listed there. We have also done quite a job on dissemination for the ProSurf projects. So we have mainly from the more research type partners, we have done the dissemination in several journal papers. We have been giving presentations at conference and like at today's workshop, but also on other USPIN and others. 2 keynote papers have been developed not only from the project, but with significant input from the project, and also PhD thesis 2 or 3, which are in relation with the project, have been done. So there is some output which hopefully will be visible for you and helpful for you. And we can continue afterwards. I would like to thank all the partners which have been contributing in the project so far. It was a great team, was also a lot of fun and good thing working. Even the pandemic didn't put us down, and we were able to continue with a little extension, of course, but I think now we successfully came to a conclusion of all the objectives we try to make. And thank you again for this great team and for your great effort you've made to make this project a success. with these words, I would like to officially, within the range of this workshop, end the project, but there's still some work for all the partners to do. We discussed this morning in our project meeting, and now I would like to ask you all if you have questions for an open discussion. I can stop the presentation.